Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover Wondershare's Democreator. This is a free or an affordable screen recording software available. Let's go. Let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University School of Technology is either affiliated or sponsored by Wondershare in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video creation. Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover Wondershare's Democreator. This is a free or an affordable screen recording software available. Let's go. Hustle Tech University's School of Technology Wondershare tutorial. All you have to do is to open it up. This is what the open screen looks like. There's a number of things you can do right here. Record screen, record games, schedule a recording, or edit a video that is on file. What we want to do is to start a brand new recording. So we're going to go over here. Okay, it currently has on my cam. I don't need the cam on right now at this moment, the preview camera. Okay, this is what the basic screen looks like. You go over here and select your capture area. Set your DPI, whether it be full screen. Over here is where you want to select whether you want it to catch your mouse clicks, etc., and other things that are around. I don't like to have that, so I'm just going to keep that off. Over here is where you select your mic. We have our mic on. We just turned it off. Select whatever mic. It automatically will notice whatever mic you're using. This is the one we're using. Over here you can have your webcam on. Ours is on, but I'm not showing the preview camera. Start screen right here. We're going to get started. All you have to do is to press record. It's going to give you a 3-second countdown, and it will start recording the screen.
I'm in Shotcut. You can use whatever you like or whatever you're trying to record. I'm just using this for an example. Shout out to Uncle Daddy Soul Food and Adult Beverages. We have a lot of amazing soul food and adult beverage cocktail recipes on that YouTube channel. Check it out, like our videos, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's check out the video that I had produced.
This beautiful cocktail is tequila sunrise, the perfect substitute for the orange mimosas.
Okay, we have just finished recording whatever footage we needed for our screen record.
As soon as you press F10 on Wondershare's hotkeys, it will bring up the editor. Okay, Wondershare's Democreator has just finished recording our screen. It has uploaded its editor. What I like about Wondershare's Democreator is that as soon as you finish recording its software, it brings up a editor that you can start editing your footage directly and immediately after capture. Now you can edit the whole video here, or you can import or export the footage to another source such as Shotcut, Premiere Pro, and do the editing there. But for those of you beginning content creators who don't have a video screen recorder, this will bring up an editor that is very, very useful. This editor can do a lot of things. It has effects, transitions, captions, stickers, filters, songs, a lot of different things that you can do with Wondershare's video editor. But let's just say that we want the current footage that we have that was imported directly from our screen recorder. We're not going to do any editing. I will do a future video on how to edit within Wondershare Democreator's video editor, but for now, we're just going to export the video footage. Once you press export, it brings up this dialog box here. You can decide what type of format you want to save the footage as. I want to save it as an MP4. That's fine with me because I can use that around many different platforms. I have already titled Wondershare CPU demonstration. Now here is where you decide where you want that file to be saved. It will automatically bring up one, or you can decide for yourself. That is your choice. Uploading to cloud storage, I'm not doing that. I'm adding it directly to my computer. Now here it has the preset footage of the file that you are exporting. You can go to high, middle, or normal. Frame rate and the size of the file will change accordingly. Now I am currently using the free trial version, so I am going to export this footage with the watermark. Alrighty, once you do that, Wondershare will render this file as a MP4 that you can import or export to a platform such as social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or you can save it directly to your computer and import it into your editing software and do further post-production. Wondershare's Democreator has almost finished rendering this file to an MP4. This will only be a few seconds later. It will make an audio reminder to let you know just in case you're on another application. Wondershare's Democreator has finished rendering this file to an MP4. You can open up your folder now. And there is the footage. If you have any questions, any concerns or comments about this Wondershare tutorial, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video,